Magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kaguruan mula Luzon, Visayas at saka Mindanao. Last Friday ho, nagkaroon ng orientation ng Department of Education tungkol sa PMES, Performance Management and Evaluation System for school year 2024 to 2025. Ito po ay isang interim guidelines lang ho, okay? So, narito ho ang attachment for that. Meron tayong annex A, B, C hanggang ano yan. Meron ho tayong Excel file din. So, if you want to download this documents, you can just see the description below para sa download. Alright, so tingnan ho natin ito isa-isa. Unang-una ho for teachers 1 to 3 for proficient teachers, no? So, narito ho yung sa inyo, yung PMES ninyo. So, almost the same kasi yung ginamit naman nila almost the same doon sa year 3 ng RPM's PPST. Okay? So, yung tatlong taon na year-round na it will cover whole the RPM's PPST. So, I guess this is the year 3 na gagamitin nila. Okay? So, yun ho. Tingnan ho nyo, babasahin ho yan. Almost the same the previous years na ginagamit ng Department of Education. Kaya hindi ito bago para sa mga teachers. Then, that's the PMES tool for teachers 1 to 3. Meron din tayo ditong classroom observation tool for proficient teacher. Basahin nyo na lang ho the level as well as the description. Then, narito ho ang COT or the classroom observation tool for teachers 1 to 3. So, meron hong ilang indicators yan, 9 for the classroom observable behaviors. Alam nyo na yan kasi ginagawa nyo yan. Then, kapag merong maraming observers, narito ang Inter-Observer Agreement Form. Ma-download din ho yan doon sa ating link. Then for Master Teachers 1 to 4, narito din yung PMES ninyo. Okay. Almost the same with last year, the previous years. Narito din yung Classroom Observation Tool ninyo. Okay, for the Master Teachers. Then, narito din yung COT for the Master Teachers. Meron lang ho kayong 4 na mga Classroom Observable Indicators and Inter-Observer Agreement Form kapag marami ang nag-observe sa inyo. At saka, gusto ko ipakita din sa inyo, after that, kapag tapos na yung observation nyo, kasi yung observation for the 4th quarter is isa lang, then the whole, para sa mga teachers, pwede, isang period lang, cover the whole classroom observable indicators, or pwede din dalawa, divided. Alam nyo naman yan, kasi merong observation yan. Merong orientation. Almost the same the previous years na ginagawa ninyo. Then, narito din yung electronic IPCRF. Ginagawa nyo ito. Almost the same. Yung the previous years. The same pa din. You have to input. Alam na natin kapag ito not supported or macro is disabled, alam nyo na ang gagawin. You go to properties, then meron kayong i-unclick doon. So, almost the same, mga teachers. Wala hong dapat ikabahala. The good thing is, patapos na yung school year. Okay? So, yan ho. At saka, magandang araw sa lahat. Good luck sa lahat ng mga teachers. Magandang araw.